Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking one always-on home endpoint to act as your gateway, because everything else relies on a single reachable node. Once chosen, assign it a static LAN IP and enable secure remote access such as SSH keys. Next, install a modern VPN server like WireGuard. Create key pairs, select a non-standard UDP port, and add minimal firewall rules. Do this now so the remote client will later authenticate and tunnel to your home network securely. Once the VPN is running, make your home reachable from anywhere by mapping that VPN port through your router to the gateway's static IP. If you lack a static ISP address, set up DDNS and schedule automated updates frequently so the endpoint name always resolves. Then harden exposure. Allow only your client keys, enable basic rate limiting, and an intrusion prevention tool like fail2ban. This middle step ensures reliability and defends against opportunistic scans, while keeping the path simple enough for now. Install the corresponding VPN client on your laptop or phone and import the client key plus the DDNS hostname or static IP. Connect and verify. Ping printers, SSH into the gateway, or browse a site to confirm traffic uses your home IP. Once done, make sure split tunneling or full tunnel is set as you want. If connection fails, check NAT port forwarding, try an alternate port, and read the gateway VPN logs for handshake or key mismatch messages to quickly resolve issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.